Good morning, explorers.
Hello?
Good morning, explorers. We are
The Rythmics. 3, 4. That's right. Come on over and join us. Gather around. You're going to love this. Here we go.
Yeah.
what?
1, 2, 3, 4. Good morning, everyone. Hey.
Little favorite section.
Thank you.
That was a medley of some classics. Good morning, explorers. My name is Xavier, but I like to go by the nickname Reuse because I love taking used materials and turning them into musical instruments.
Yeah. My name's Anthony, but I like to go by Reduce because I'm all about reducing waste and protecting the planet.
And I'm Sammy, but you can call me Recycle. That's right, because I like finding unused things and giving them new purpose. I'm also a musicologist and environmental educator. Our goal here at the Rythmics is to spread the message about environmental sustainability and inspire people through music. Which reminds me, it is time for the next song, perhaps some classics. You ready?
I got plenty
All right, here we go. Let's do it. See if you can figure it out. You guys got it? I think I heard it.
Moana!
Did I hear Moana? All right, here we go. All right, Moana fans, you know this one.
Hey, you know what? Y'all are probably wondering what some of these cool things are on these amazing cards of ours, aren't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right here, I have some PVC pipes that I found at a construction site out back. I got them because they were getting rid of them. And I knew I could turn them into a cool musical instrument. Yep, easy for me to say. Check it out. Yeah, right? Sounds cool.
Where does that go?
It goes around me.
Wow. Ain't that cool? You know, as a musicologist, I'm just fascinated how different materials create different sounds. You gotta hear these pans I have over here. The smaller ones make higher sounds, the larger ones make lower sounds. You wanna know where I found these? Behind a Restaurantosaurus. They weren't gonna use them anymore. They gave them to me. Now I have a musical instrument. I got 4 up here. But you know how many they had? Like 6 or 7.
Several parents, I apologize for being 67 the rest of the day. Why did you do that? Why would you do that?
Why? Why would I do what?
6 or 7 thing. Plastic, PVC, metal, plastic pans, anyone can take your materials and turn them into musical instruments. In fact, I have something I've been working on myself. I have this wooden box. Sounds like this. cajon. Actually made in Peru. Families would take drawers out of their kitchens and use them as musical instruments. Hey, fellas.
Yo, yeah.
Why we show our friends what the cajons can do.
That's a good idea.
1, 2, 3, 4. Sounds amazing, right? Yep. Another classic. Same classic.
It is time for a Moana remix. You're welcome.
Thank you.
No, the name of the song. The song. You're welcome.
Hey, because you're welcome.
I knew that.
That's right.
I recycle. What you got? Wait, You gotta do.
And thank you. Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. You know, it's important to spread the message about environmental sustainability.
That's right.
And inspire others to get involved. For example, I have a fun fact. You want to hear my fun fact?
Yeah.
That's good energy. Wow. I like that. All right, get ready because these shirts that you see us wearing, made out of plastic water bottles. I know, isn't that cool?
Let's do a bottle walk. Let's do a walk for them.
Yeah, go ahead, show it up, show it up.
No love on this side whatsoever. It's okay. They looked at me.
That's actually pretty good. All right, let's see. Who recycles? Show of hands. All right, very good. If you recycle plastic, I want to hear a woo! Woo! Oh, that's a really good woo.
Yeah.
All right, if you recycle, let's go with, I said plastic?
Except plastic.
Yeah, let's go with glass. Ha! Ha! Whoa, that's some good highs. All right, I got one more. You ready?
What you got?
If you recycle cardboard, do a little dance. That's a lot.
All right.
Let's still going.
I think that's the gritty.
There you go, guys.
Now scored a touchdown.
Good for you guys. Well done.
Thank you.
Good for you. Share something, huh?
Listen, we have any online shoppers out there? Anyone like to shop online? That's right. Don't be ashamed. It's okay. You know, we spend money close for fun. Anytime we shop online, we get the opportunity to recycle the. That's right. We get the recycle. You threw me off. He's like cardboard. Cardboard. I said clever in the corner.
So do a dance.
Yeah!
Come on, guys. Come on, my friends. Come on, come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Come on, do the gritty, gritty. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Go, give it up for my friend, please. Good luck.
still going.
Set his back straight. He might get stuck like that the rest of the day. Hey, Reduce, what do you do?
Well, something I like to do is I use compost in my home garden as well as right here. I took these plastic bottles, I cut them in half, I turned them into planters. I've added compost and soil, and together they make beautiful flowers. Just like together, we make beautiful music. Here we go.
All right, this is Trash to the Camp. The movie is Tarzan, which means it's time for everyone here to become an eco-rhythmic by clapping our hands. So everyone clap along with us. Here we go. Keep those hands up going. Oh yeah, you're doing awesome out there. All right, you know the words? Let's do it. Here we go. I'm cooking up here. Matata, Hakuna Matata, Hakuna Matata,
Great job, guys. Once again, we are
the Eco Rythmics.
3, 4.
Yeah!